So you have messy hair, disgusting hair, gross hair, and you're feeling that you cannot go somewhere looking the way you are, and you're thinking that maybe a head wrap is a good idea. I decided to style a head wrap 3 or 4 times, and I hope you enjoy this video, and probably I hope it helps you in one way or another. Thanks for watching. I won't do much of a voiceover for this. What you need is a scarf and 2 bandanas, and the rest of it is self-explanatory. I don't know what song to use as a background because YouTube keeps sending me copyright in my email, and I just hope you enjoy it, and I'll use a random song with no copyright. Please enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day, night, evening, whatever time it is where you are, and see you next time. The following are styles I got from Google, and credits to the owners. If I knew them, I would link their social media or channels down below, but I don't. I got these images from Google.